In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily block content on YouTube. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up YouTube app, and then we can scroll down to see YouTube recommendations, and then let's say if YouTube recommends you videos you are not interested in and you don't want to see them again, all you have to do is just tap at these three dots just underneath the video, and then you will be able to mark this video as not interested, and then the video will be marked as not interested and you won't see it in the recommendations again, and also YouTube will always recommend that type of content in the future. If you want to block the entire channel, you can right from here tap at don't recommend channel, and then you will not get any videos from that channel in your YouTube recommendations. That's how you can easily block any content on YouTube. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.